Another fun drill that we like to do is offense, defense. So now what we're going to do is we're going to let one athlete be offense, one be defense. What we're going to do is the key is they're going to have this area to work in. The goal is for the defense to stay in front of the offense at all times. Now here's what's really cool about this drill. They can't think about their footwork. They can't think about the band. They just simply got to go to work. That's why it's a reactionary drill, because now consciously they're no longer thinking about training in the bands. They're thinking about competing. So let's go ahead and let's show you how this drill is done. Maddie's going to be offense first, Sammy's defense. Sammy's goal is to stay in front of Maddie as much as possible. Maddie can flow and back and move any way she wants, but she's got to stay inside the cones. Very good. All right, down you go. Maddie, when you're ready, go for it. They're going to move. That's it. That's it. That's what we're doing. You can change up your distance. You can go ahead and cover more distance. You can cover less distance. And done. So Maddie stayed with basically a similar movement. What a lot of athletes will do is Sammy will do it now in offense, and I'm just going to give her a little FYI. She can give a shoulder fake. So now she gives a shoulder fake, so Maddie goes, meanwhile she's going the other way. So you can have a lot of fun with this. Anything goes, let them go. Understand this. They're facing each other. So the inside leg is getting most of the work. When you do this drill, you have to rotate people. Now here's something you can keep in mind. I have them attached. This could easily be their partners holding here. So their partners hold while they go, and then their partners come in and do the same drill. And then when they're done, they switch sides, and now you go ahead and you train the other direction. Very simple way to transition. All right, Sammy, you're up. Fake her out. You got 10 seconds. Set, go. There you go. See now? Yes, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. See, now Maddie's got to learn how to stay down and be able to take shoulders. Nice job, done. See what I mean? It can be a lot of fun. Tons of deceleration work and a lot of lower body strength training. But that's what we call offense, defense.